Number 1.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,900, dependable full-size pickup powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission and 4WD capability. With 179,000 miles and a clean title, this white truck offers solid performance at a low price. It features chrome front and rear bumpers, 16-inch alloy wheels, a bed liner, and a camper/towing package, making it well-suited for work or hauling. Inside, it includes front air conditioning, a leather-trimmed tilt steering wheel, cruise control, power steering, power windows and locks, plus a sliding rear window with defroster. For entertainment, it comes with AM/FM radio, cassette, and an in-dash CD player. Safety features include dual front airbags, four-wheel ABS, power brakes, and daytime running lights, making this Chevrolet 1500 a practical and capable truck for everyday use.
Number 2.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500. This truck is in good condition and has been exceptionally well maintained throughout its life.
Powered by a strong 8-cylinder gas engine paired with an automatic transmission, the truck runs great and delivers reliable performance.
With only 108,000 original miles on the odometer, it has relatively low mileage for its year. The vehicle comes with a clean title and has had only one original owner. It has been garage kept for most of its life, which has helped preserve both the body and paint, keeping them in good condition.
The interior is also well maintained and remains in good shape.
As a California truck, it has never been involved in any accidents and has been owned by a non-smoker.
Everything is in proper working order, including the air conditioning and heating systems. Number 3.
1999 Ford F150, price $7,500, well-maintained 4WD pickup with 146,000 miles and a clean title. It has had only one owner since new, reflecting consistent care and responsible ownership throughout its life. Powered by a gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, this truck offers solid performance, making it suitable for daily driving, work duties, or light off-road use. The vehicle has recently been equipped with a new battery and has successfully passed smog inspection, ensuring it is road-ready and compliant. The exterior paint remains in very nice condition, showing that the truck has been well cared for over the years. Inside, the interior is clean and well kept, with no major signs of wear, providing a comfortable and presentable cabin.
Number 4.
1994 Toyota pickup, price $8,995, reliable and practical compact truck powered by a 4-cylinder 2.4-liter gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 168,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title. The exterior is finished in white paint, giving it a classic and timeless look. This pickup is equipped with power brakes for confident stopping performance and rides on durable 14-inch steel wheels. It features tinted glass for added comfort and privacy, along with intermittent front wipers for improved visibility during changing weather conditions. Inside, the truck offers bucket-style front seats upholstered in cloth, providing a comfortable and functional cabin environment. Overall, this 1994 Toyota pickup is a dependable and straightforward truck, well-suited for daily driving, light-duty work, or as a solid project vehicle.
Number 5.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $5,350. The truck is in good condition and comes with a clean title, supported by an AutoCheck report. This 4WD pickup is powered by a V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering dependable performance both on and off the road. It has 242,000 miles on the odometer and features an original dent-free gold exterior with brown paint, complemented by a clean and well-maintained interior. The truck rides on factory alloy wheels fitted with expensive new tires, enhancing both its appearance and performance. It is equipped with convenient features such as power windows and power door locks, running boards, a sliding rear window, and a durable bed liner, making it a practical and versatile choice for daily driving or light-duty work.
Number 6.
1984 Toyota pickup, price $9,500. Classic truck powered by a gasoline engine and showing 191,000 miles on the odometer. It holds a clean title and comes with current California registration in hand. Originally a California truck its entire life, it remains 100% rust-free and even retains its original California plates. Under the hood, it has been upgraded with a 283 Ci small block Chevy V8 swap, delivering significantly more power while still maintaining the reliable and familiar feel of a Toyota pickup. The truck runs and drives great, making it fully capable of serving as a dependable daily driver. It is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and a properly functioning 4WD system, both of which operate smoothly. While it does not have air conditioning or power steering, it features a working heater and radio for comfort and convenience.
Number 7.
1999 Toyota Tacoma, price $7,100, good condition and has been well maintained by its single owner, with documentation available to support its service history. It is a dependable and honest vehicle powered by a 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. With 156,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title, it continues to run reliably. The truck features a long bed and is the desirable SR5 model. The exterior is green, and while it could benefit from a new paint job, the body remains straight. The interior is clean and simple, offering a basic yet well-kept cabin.
The air conditioning blows cold, ensuring comfort during warm weather.
It also comes equipped with aftermarket wheels and a CD player, and the tires still have plenty of tread life remaining.
Number 8.
1974 Ford F100, price $6,500. The truck comes with a clean California title, is currently registered through the end of March, and is smog exempt. It is powered by a 390 FE V8 engine with an aftermarket 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor and paired with a 3-speed automatic C6 transmission, which shifts into all gears but can be slightly rough when cold. The truck is equipped with power steering that works well, along with front disc and rear drum brakes. The engine runs decently but has a few minor leaks that need attention. The main issue is the rear end, which needs replacement, preventing the truck from being driven above 20 miles per hour.
Rust is minimal for its age. The truck is not currently roadworthy and should be transported by trailer. Number 9.
1981 Volkswagen Rabbit, price $5,900, presented in great condition and comes with a clean title in hand. This well-maintained classic features a fuel-efficient diesel engine paired with a manual transmission, delivering a reliable and engaging driving experience. With only 72,600 original miles on the odometer, it has been lightly driven and carefully preserved over the years. Finished in blue paint, the truck maintains a solid appearance and runs smoothly without any known issues.
As a front-wheel drive vehicle, it offers practical handling and dependable performance. The registration is current, making it ready for the road.
Overall, this 1981 Volkswagen Rabbit diesel truck stands as a clean, low-mileage example that remains in excellent running condition.
Number 10.
1986 Toyota Pickup, price $5,000, classic rear-wheel drive truck powered by gasoline and equipped with a manual transmission. It has 215,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title. Under the hood, it features the legendary 2.4L22 or carbureted 4-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Known as a true workhorse, the 22R engine has a strong reputation for durability, with many documented cases of these trucks surpassing 1 million miles when properly maintained. While this particular model does not currently have air conditioning, AC was available as an option in 1986. The dashboard includes a designated space for the AC button, making it possible to source a unit from another 4th-generation model or purchase one online for installation.